Okay, this is a relatively quick video regarding this. I took my redneck fire pit, and this is a rotisserie out of an old Gen Air barbecue grill, and I just built put some pieces of wood there with some brackets, and set this up on a couple of sawhorses, and that's just open fire. It's got I took a remote thermometer, which is over on the side there, and it's partially wrapped in aluminum foil so that it doesn't get melted. And the aluminum foil you see there is just to keep those 4x4s from getting burned. So just take a quick walk around this thing. Need to spread out those coals a little bit more. There you go.